Are you struggling to piece together data from multiple maps across different apps? Well, with our new map comparison feature, you can now seamlessly compare maps from all available LogHub supply chain apps right within your workspace. This makes it so much easier to analyze data from different scenarios side by side and make informed decisions faster and more accurately. Hi, I'm Milica, and in this video, I'll guide you through creating your first map comparison. Let's get started. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into a practical example to better understand this feature. Imagine we're a retail company planning to restructure our distribution network. To do this, we'll use two different supply chain apps. First, we'll use the Center of Gravity app to identify potential warehouse locations. To do this, we'll input our data and set the parameters. In this case, we'll set the number of desired centers to 5 and choose kilometers as our distance unit. Next, we'll save the scenario. You can create a new workspace by clicking on the plus icon or save it into an existing workspace from the drop-down menu. Now, we should give our scenario a distinctive name to make it easier to find later. Once that's done, we're ready to run the calculation. Now, let's export the results, as they will serve us as the input data for our next calculation, route optimization using the Milkrun Plus app. While the Center of Gravity app provided us with warehouse locations and the customer each warehouse will supply, this data is only based on beeline distances. To obtain more precise routing information, the Milkrun Plus app will give us the detailed routes we need. After inputting the data, the next step is to set the parameters. For this calculation, we'll select minutes as the duration unit, and just like the previous scenario, we'll save this one as well. Keep in mind that if you want to compare these two scenarios, they must be saved in the same workspace and have different names. Once our calculation is complete, we're ready to compare the maps. Let's head over to the platform by clicking on the My Maps platform icon. Now that we're on the LogHub platform, select the workspace with your scenarios. Next, click on Create and choose Create Map Comparison. Start by naming it, and then add only the maps you want to compare. Finally, click Confirm. Excellent, we're now viewing our map comparison. Similar to the Map View feature, we can customize the appearance of our maps by choosing a style, or adjusting the layers to our preferences. If we need to focus on specific data points, we can use the filter option. By clicking on filter icon, entering the desired value and applying the changes, we can tailor the map view to our needs. When the filters are applied, the icon will turn blue. If needed, you can choose the regular view option or side-by-side view. With everything set, we can now compare maps from different apps and make informed decisions based on detailed insights. And there you have it! We've just made your first map comparison using the LogHub platform. For more tutorials, check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.